we got it. It's pretty busy out here today.
We are at Knott's today, guys. Dang dang. They're trick-or-treating today. Make sure you get the, see up there on top?
Oh, the people.
Saturday Jay's mac and cheese bites and fries, witch's brew lemonade, apple lemonade with sour.
Okay, here.
Oh, I'm all waiting. He's cute, isn't Harry Potter?
What do you want, Bradford?
Huh?
Dead. He's a dead conductor. Harry Potter.
Ooh, it's cool right here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hello. Hey, what you
They have them everywhere. That's pretty cool.
Huh?
Oh, because the trick is treating. They have candy.
Where they got candy at?
Right there.
You got a bag. Oh, you got a bag.
I didn't get it.
No, because they said it had to be right here, right? Me? Yeah, so maybe I have to use a broken one for now. Yeah. Okay, but I'm going to take the bottom piece off. I'm going to take the bottom piece off. Why do you want the whole
That's why I'm coming here often.
We're going to go that way now.
It's just like, no?
What do you want to do?
Daniel, you want to drink pure?
I wish I was on that ride as much as it's hot out here. I wish all that water could just splash on me. Think I want to pose right here? That is a nice view, especially at nighttime, how they have it all lighted up. Oh yeah.
Hey! Oh, hey, just so you guys know.
Who did it then? Oh yeah.
They're just taking off on me. They leaving me behind. Last time we came here was, I believe, yeah, January. Almost a whole year. There's the train. I might go on rides. I really gotta start coming here. Trick or treat? Thank you.
Daniel.
Right here. Just got done eating, now we're back to walking. It is very hot out here. My back, it is very sweaty. Feels like I'm burning calories out here. Now I'm looking like this for home. It's nice and shady.
What the hell is that?
not at scaryfarm yet.
I'm gonna grab his back.
Howdy. Well, hello again.
What's going on? Boom. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Howdy. Scaryfarm, we want a stuffed animal. Well, not we. Wouldn't be one of those. You having fun?
Hey guys, we're at the arcade at scaryfarm. Woo!
We got such a long day. Now we're gonna see if we can get on a ride in the meantime because we got somewhere else to go later on. It is very busy here today. So we're just here killing time because we got another event to go to tonight. Probably gonna be another video separately. But it is very busy here today. We had to drive all the way around the arena to start parking. Then coming in, the entrance was big after that. Of course, because it's Sunday. I wanted to come to scaryfarm maybe next year. No, it's good because I came to one 3 years ago. And I didn't survive. Well, I did, but it was too scary for me. Well, hopefully I can suck it up now. I thought about coming by myself, but we don't think it'll be a good idea. I won't have nowhere, well, I'll run, but then I won't have no friends to hide behind. I'm looking forward to next year, hopefully. Even hard, actually.
Yeah. They're gonna set up for a couple seconds.
I might go on it later. It stays there.
I forgot what it was. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, but you're always out.
They just changed the harness on the
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
Did you see how good the ones that Dave gave me, like in my fourth?
We had a good time in the arcade for a while. I don't know what else we're gonna do, but it's cooling down. Silver bullet.
They don't have anything.
People in costumes. I want to get on that train now. Go for a cruise.
No, you don't have to.
I sure did, huh?
I plan on coming back.
That's what I thought would be like glitter in my wheelchair.
We taking off now. So now we're about to do the second event for today. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Probably at least maybe 8 minutes, maybe less. But I'll go through it and see what is gonna be on the video. But today seems like a pretty cool day. 2 events in 1 day, basically. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.